O pagkatapos sumagot yung Solicitor General. Inamin ba naman niya yung tatlo kanyang ganon at saka yung pang-apat ay isinama namin sa order of business na pag tinignan mo wala. Ang totoong ginawa nila, considering, sabi niya, considering that the fourth impeachment complaint signed by more than one-third of the members of the House of Representatives has been transmitted to Congress, the three earlier impeachment complaints have become moot and academic and they were sent to the archives. Alam mo ibig sabihin no? Pinatay po namin.
Pinatay nyo. Kaya nilagay sa archive.
Sabi ng Korte Suprema, pinatay ninyo. Ibig sabihin, yung pangalawa, hindi na pwede. You violated the one-year ban rule.
Ayun.
Simple.
So yun pala yung binabanggit ng Korte Suprema na nalabag yung one-year ban rule ng impeachment complaint. Ayun.
Kasi kung yun ay nirepair ninyo sa Committee on Justice, may tumuloy na sana eh. Walang tumuloy na proceedings kasi walang ni-repair. Walang ni-repair sa Committee on Justice. Yun ang pinaka-ultimate na destination ng lahat ng impeachment complaints.